Several of you who drive on our streets every day have told us car insurance rates are skyrocketing. Bankrate's True Cost of Auto Insurance report found that Tampa actually came in fourth place on the list of highest rates in the country. And now there's another study showing that women on average pay more than men in car insurance. And can you guess which state has the biggest gap? Yeah, that's right, it is Florida. According to LendingTree, nationally, women pay $32 more in car insurance than men. But in Florida, that difference way bigger. Women on average paying $199 more than men, which is about $17 more a month just for car insurance, taking the #1 spot in the entire nation for the largest gap. LendingTree looking at the data from 35-year-old men and women with mostly clean records. I actually spoke with a LendingTree analyst who is part of this study. He said using gender for this very reason is actually banned in 8 states.
There are states that ban this practice because this has been controversial and considered unjust. If you look at California, Hawaii, Massachusetts, those are among the states that ban gender rating or prohibit insurance companies from using gender determined rates. North Carolina and Pennsylvania also ban the practice. So, some states have just said, this isn't fair, let's not do it.
Florida, though, is not one of those 8 states that bans this practice. And you can imagine what some female drivers had to say about this, with car insurance rates here in the Sunshine State still soaring. We're paying $199 more than men just because we're women.
Oh, wow. I honestly wish I didn't know that. Yeah, my insurance actually got so high that I had to switch.
I thought that men actually paid more in car insurance because they drive more recklessly. But I can't believe I'm being upcharged for being a woman. That's crazy.
So what can you do about this? Well, I spoke with an independent insurance agent. He's curious about LendingTree's data here because he says gender is just one of many different factors that car insurance companies use when determining your quote. Other things like previous claims, your driving record, even your credit score all make up what you're actually paying. Still, if you feel like you aren't getting a just deal, he does recommend shop around.
Is this something that I can ask my agent? Like, can you see if my insurance company is charging me more just because I'm a woman?
Yeah, I don't know if you can narrow it down, to that level. But if you're paying too much, you're paying too much, regardless of what the insurance company thinks the reason is. So it's definitely worthwhile to shop out.
To read more on LendingTree's study, we have that linked for you right now on abcactionnews.com. Until then, we want to hear from you. You can let us know what costs you've noticed skyrocketing recently. Go ahead, scan this QR code. It will take you to a form. You can fill it out to connect directly with our Tampa Bay Tonight team so we can continue to get the answers you're looking for.